Alright, couldn't help myself. Let's do a quick side by side. This is the Leatherman Wingman, and this is the Bear Grylls Gerber multi-tool. So as you can see, the Gerber comes across ever so slightly bigger and slightly wider. I showed you the tools on that. This one, it's got some tools on the outside, tools on the inside. Straight blade with some serrations down there, and it's a liner lock, so it locks in. Nice easy safety mechanism, I like that. There's a pair of scissors, much bigger than the Gerber, but perhaps that there's no spring, or maybe that spring's displaced or something, but anyway, helps if you lock it in place. There you go, that's much better. That's fantastic. Nice size, bit bigger than the Gerber scissors, so that'll come in handy. Once again, liner lock, which I like, and then the other tools are on the inside. Pliers, Phillips and a flat, and here we've got a can opener, a file, and a, what is that? Not sure what number 5 is there. Someone can tell me what that is. It's fantastic. It's a chisel blade of some description. Not focusing. Anyway, you get the idea. Nice. Fits nicely in the hand. It's got a little curve on it there. Holds really nicely closed, holds nicely open. Pocket clip. Looks good. So, I'm going to take this out in the backyard now. I've got to do some little bit of yard work. We'll see how this baby holds up. Thanks very much, Rob. See you guys.